how to do Shopify SEO optimization. So to do Shopify SEO optimization for yourself, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to add apps in the Shopify store, go to apps and sales channel settings. Okay. And here you're going to go to the Shopify app store. Now, once you go into the Shopify app store, there's a lot of SEO apps that you can actually download. Every single SEO app gives you different features and different things to work with. So I'm going to write SEO right here and I'm going to search that up. Now, once you search SEO up, it's going to give you, Tiny SEO, Booster SEO, Tapit SEO. Now, all of these work pretty well, but in my opinion, Booster SEO is the best. Obviously, Tapita and Tiny is specifically made for, your Shopify. I would also go with Tapita because there's no plan for Tapita. It's totally free, so that's why I like Tapita as well. But yeah, just to get all those things, click on install app and start doing your optimization. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.